Sujay, welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, today in this video, I will give you Delhi Sultanate related most important multiple choice GK question answer for your competitive and government service exams. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question, in which year Delhi Sultanate was founded? Right answer option B, 1206. And Delhi Sultanate was ended in the year 1526. Then friends, Sultans ruled in India about 320 years. Is that cleared? Next question. Who was the founder of Delhi Sultanate? A. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, B. Muhammad Ghori, C. Kutubuddin Aibak, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The right answer of this question is option C, Kutubuddin Aibak. If in the exam it comes, who was the real founder of Delhi Sultanate, then the answer will be option A, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, who reigned from 1211 to 1236. Got it? Let's go to the next question. How many dynasties were there in Delhi Sultanate? Right answer option A, 5 dynasties. And these 5 dynasties are 1. Mamluk dynasty or the slave dynasty, reigned 1206 to 1290. 2. Khilji dynasty, reigned 1290 to 1320. 3. Tughlaq dynasty, reigned 1320 to 1413. 4. Shayad dynasty, reigned 1414 to 1451. 5. Lodi dynasty, reigned 1451 to 1526. Question number 4. Who built the Qutub Minar? A. Kutubuddin Aibak, B. Ghiyazuddin Balban, C. Jalaluddin Khilji, D. Nasiruddin Mahmud. It's a very important. I'm sure you know the right answer. The right answer will be option A, Kutubuddin Aibak. The construction of the Qutub Minar was started by Kutubuddin Aibak in 1199 to celebrate Muslims' dominance in Delhi, but he only constructed the basement. Later it was completed by his successor and son-in-law Iltutmish in 1220. The height of Qutub Minar is about 73 meters. And one more thing, Qutub Minar is the world's tallest brick minaret. Question number 5. Who was the founder of the Mamluk dynasty? A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Kutubuddin Aibak, C. Muhammad Ghori, D. Muhammad bin Qasim. Right answer option B, Kutubuddin Aibak. Mamluk dynasty is the first dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. Mamluk dynasty is also known as the slave dynasty. Question number 6. Who was the first Muslim woman ruler of India, or the first and last woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate was Rajia Sultana. Reigned from 1236 to 1240. Rajia Sultana was the daughter of Iltutmish. Question number 7. The famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji was Amir Khusro. Question number 8. Whose nickname is Tota-i-Hind or Parrot of India? Very important question for competitive exams. Can you guess the right answer? The right answer will be option B, Amir Khusro. Question number 9. Which Sultan is known as the mixture of opposites? A. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, B. Ibrahim Lodi, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Right answer option D, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 10. Who is called by intelligent fool? A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, B. Ghiyazuddin Balban, C. Kutubuddin Aibak, D. Nasiruddin Mahmud. The right answer of this question is also A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. There are many reasons for which he has been called the intelligent fool, but one main reason is shifting his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Question number 11. Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the longest period? A. Khilji dynasty, B. Mamluk dynasty, C. Tughlaq dynasty, D. Lodi dynasty. Right answer, Tughlaq dynasty. Tughlaq dynasty ruled in Delhi 93 years from 1320 to 1413. And Mamluk dynasty ruled in Delhi for 84 years from 1206 to 1290. Question number 12. Who was the founder of the Tughlaq dynasty? A. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, B. Nasruddin Tughlaq, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq. Right answer option D. Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq. Reigned from 1320 to 1325. Question number 13. Which Delhi Sultan died while playing the Chaugan, polo? A. Jalaluddin Khilji, B. Kutubuddin Aibak, C. Ghiyazuddin Balban, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. I think you know the right answer. The right answer option B. Kutubuddin Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak died in 1210 as a result of fall from his horse while playing Chaugan or polo. Question number 14. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate introduced market reforms? It's a very important question for your exams. This question has come up many times in various job exams. The right answer of this question is option B. Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was the second ruler of Khilji dynasty, reigned from 1296 to 1316. Question number 15. Who was the founder of the Khilji dynasty? Right answer option B. Jalaluddin Khilji. Reigned from 1290 to 1296. Question number 16. Which Delhi Sultan described himself as Sikandar-i-Sani, the second Alexander? A. Kutubuddin Aibak, B. Aram Shah, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Right answer option C. Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji had a dream of a world conquest, so he assumed the title Sikandar-i-Sani or second Alexander. Question number 17. What was the name of the commander of King Alauddin Khilji, or who was the famous general of Alauddin Khilji? It's very important. Right answer option B. Malik Kafur. Question number 18. Which Sultan of Delhi kills his own uncle and became Sultan? A. Kutubuddin Mubarak Shah, B. Nasruddin Mahmud Shah, C. Muhammad Shah, D. Alauddin Khilji. Right answer Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji killed his own uncle and father-in-law Jalaluddin Khilji and became the second and most powerful ruler of the Khilji dynasty. Question number 19. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate? A. Kutubuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Muhammad Ghori, D. Nasruddin Mahmud. It's an important question. The right answer will be option A. Kutubuddin Aibak. Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan, who was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi in the Battle of Torain II in the year 1192. After that, Muhammad Ghori captured Delhi and leaves his general Kutubuddin Aibak to look after India. Muhammad Ghori died in 1206 and Kutubuddin Aibak became the first ruler or the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate. He ruled in Delhi from 1206 to 1210. Question number 20. Who was the last ruler or the last Sultan of Delhi Sultanate? A. Behlol Lodi, B. Ibrahim Lodi, C. Sikandar Lodi, D. Daulat Khan Lodi. I am 100% sure you know the right answer of this question. The right answer option B. Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated and killed by Babur in the first battle of Panipat on 20 April in 1526. After that, Delhi Sultanate was ended and Mughal Empire was established. Next question. Who was the founder of the Lodi dynasty? Right answer option A. Behlol Lodi. Reigned from 1451 to 1489. Lodi dynasty was the last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. Question number 22. The founder of the Sayyid dynasty was Khizr Khan. Reigned from 1414 to 1421. Question number 23. Who first imposed jizya tax in India? A. Akbar, B. Aurangzeb, C. Kutubuddin Aibak, D. Muhammad bin Qasim. Right answer option C. Kutubuddin Aibak. Muslim ruler Kutubuddin Aibak first imposed jizya tax in India on non-Muslims for their protection. Jizya tax was abolished by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the 16th century, but later it was reintroduced by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the 17th century. Question number 24. Who introduced Iqta system during Sultanate period? A. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, B. Razia Sultana, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Ghiyazuddin Balban. Right answer option A. Shamsuddin Iltutmish. ICTA is a land revenue system on certain conditions. Question number 25. The official language of the Delhi Sultanate was Persian. Question number 26. The city of Agra was founded in 1504 by Sikandar Lodi. Sikandar Lodi was the second ruler of the Lodi dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Question number 27. Who built Charminar? A. Kuli Qutub Shah, B. Ali Adil Shah, C. Ibrahim Qutub Shah, D. None of the above. It's a very important question. Right answer option A. Kuli Qutub Shah. Charminar is a historical monument built by Kuli Qutub Shah in the year 1591 in Hyderabad, India. It has 4 minarets. That's why the name given Charminar. Char means 4 and minar means minaret. Question number 28. During the reign of Iltutmish, the silver coins were called Tanka. Question number 29. During the period of the Delhi Sultanate, the chief minister was known as Wazir. Last and final question. Question number 30. Who was the first Muslim invader of India? A. Ghazni of Mahmud, B. Taimur Long, C. Muhammad Ghori, D. Muhammad bin Qasim. It's an important GK for competitive exams. The first Muslim invader of India was Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim invaded or attacked India on 712 AD. Friends, thank you so much for being with me and watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.